Get ready for bigger, better Boston, where everything's supreme. You cannot go wrong with our flavor-filled menu. The fish is fresh and the chicken is finger-licking. Don't forget to ask about that supreme sweet sauce. 1201 South 2nd Street, Monroe, Louisiana. Come now and get that Boston experience, where everything is supreme.
Oh, scrumptious. Look at that. Oh, look at that. What's up to all my family and friends in the YouTube world? This is Alvin again. Today we're doing something a little different from what we normally do. We're not doing pictures, we're not doing sports graphics. We are going to install window decals.
Getting to call this stuff here, man. Come on, man. Retake, man. Retake. Take 3. Yeah, we about to do this thing. Let's go, man.
Okay, guys, so the challenge with this is going to be our first time installing some commercial window decals. We got some like 8-foot windows, and I'm a little nervous about this because this is some very expensive material that we're using, and I really can't afford to mess this up. The adhesive that's on the back of it is sticking a little more than I anticipated.
Don't try this at home.
This restaurant is about to open. We got to get these decals installed.
I don't see how you even got hired by this man.
So we're going to take you behind the scene, let you see how it's going to go. This is Bigger, Better Boston.
Get ready for bigger, better Boston.
But listen, this is my plug right here. Listen, if you want to ride big, if you want to ride fine, you need to come on down to Blackburn and holler at me.
Mike, so?
Right there, it is, right there.
Man, look. Recording everything.
You got another
Look,
charge in
I
here?
need a Lamborghini, man. Can you?
Man, come on, man.
Hey,
Man,
yeah,
go on, go to work, brother. Go to work, brother. Go to work, brother. Bless you, brother.
Hey, hold on. Let me show you something real quick. You see that?
Yeah, I see time.
Look, you know what time it is, right? What you got to say about your chicken going on the window, man?
Oh, I tell you what, we ain't gonna buy that. You don't have to worry about one thing. One bite, they'll be back.
Okay. So listen, guys, you heard it right there. Big Ass said one bite and they'll be back, but he had that razzle and dazzle, so we had to use this chicken. I can't make this the Big Ass show. This is the Cole Production House. So,
So don't worry about it. I'm gonna make my own anyway.
all right, tell the people bye.
Hey man, I'll see y'all later, man. Y'all take care out there.
Get your crew with you, man. Look, I got a crew together, man.
Tell me, man, how long you been doing this?
Over
30 years. 13 stores. And that's Louisiana or Louisiana and Mississippi?
Georgia, Alabama,
Wow.
Mississippi, and Louisiana, Texas. You know what?
So you got the one in Vicksburg?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We do all of the
the menu design. We actually come in, take pictures of the food. Yeah, listen, when I talk about the food, look, every time I talk about this food,
Yeah, I see you get happy. I see you get happy.
So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take y'all on a quick tour, just kind of let y'all see what's going on around here. Taking you live behind the scenes to let you see how this stuff goes on. We ain't gonna cook y'all no fish today, but you know, you're gonna get to see this. Come this way.
Got it right there, man. Hey, man, watch my shoes, man. You throwing that stuff everywhere, man. Huh? Man, see, that's the problem, man. You don't value folks' stuff, man. I don't see how you even got hired by this, man. It's good to see you working. See you finally doing something instead of running your mouth.
So guys, I'll tell you, the first step to being successful is to surround yourself around successful people.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
And he did not. Bad company corrupts good character.
Okay,
Keep
okay.
that in mind.
Oh boy.
Okay. This is a little tougher than I thought. And then, feel like we're about to get a little rain. We got to move. We got to move. The deadline is approaching. We done wrapped up on this thing. Until then, y'all stay tuned, stay productive. This is Alvin. I'd like to thank y'all